I look absolutely horrible. I actually look terrible. So the UPS guy came and it came. Oh my god. You're kidding. The iconic pink bag. I'm so happy right now. Oh my god, this is so perfect. Look. They gave me a sample of their perfume and they gave me a cute little sticker. This is so cute. So let's open it up. First big thing, I got the full size of the Glossier Milk Jelly Cleanser. Then, oh, it's actually pretty big and it's kind of dented, but it's okay. Here is the moisturizer. Their packaging is just like cute. Like, look how cute this is. And last but not least, you get to choose what kind of bomb.com you want. And the packaging is so cute. I got the birthday one. I'm so, this is what I'm most excited for. I want to open it. We're gonna open it. Okay, so it's not that big. Like, it always looks big on their website. I mean, it's not super small, but like, it's not as big as I thought. Like, I thought it was gonna be huge. So yeah, like, this is like hand-to-hand ratio. My hand's pretty small, so I don't know if this really helps. What she do? Stayed awake. Honestly, I really like it. Like, the packaging is really cute. Like, the prices are honestly moderate. Like, I don't think they were super expensive. Like, I thought I would have to pay like fees because it's an American company, but they now convert it to Canadian, so you don't have to pay any of those duties or anything. You just gotta pay for shipping unless you spend more than 40 bucks, then, which is really easy to do, especially with like their sets and stuff, which is what I got. I got like the skincare set for 55 bucks. I got a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a lip balm. And I've been trying to get more into skincare, so I really can't say if I recommend it or not, because to be honest, all of them feel like the same. Like, anything that I try just kind of feels the same. The only thing is that with the jelly cleanser, I would have to say that it doesn't like turn white when like you like rub it in. It's like stays as like a jelly consistency, and so I thought that was different. Not that I really care, I just thought it was kind of like weird. I was like, okay, you're not doing what normal cleansers do. I like it. It feels really nice on your skin. The moisturizer, I've never gotten a moisturizer in a tube before. I usually have to like pump it or something, so that was kind of weird. I always like apply way too much, so be careful. Literally do like dollops and you should be okay. Personally, I really like it. I rate Glossier. Use my code at the bottom for 10% off. It's worth it. Okay, so this is the end of the Glossier unboxing first reactions video. Bye, I guess. I can't do this. This is so awkward.